I'm working on a car that developed a Misfire, and when I hooked up the code reader to it through an 0303, after taking a look at the old coil pack, it appears to be a decent coil pack, but the issue with it is a swollen boot right here. And when oil gets on these, they start warping out and they just don't deliver the clean spark they did when they were new. If you compare this boot right here to this boot right here, you can see the difference, especially from here to here. Now on this one I could get away with just replacing the boot, but I figure putting a new coil pack in makes sense, considering that this one's been in there for a while and I'm probably going to have to do this anyway sometime soon.